Hey guys, it's Fluffy Hamster Games 21, and today we're going to be playing Cat Cafe. It's this game where you can have cats in a cafe. I don't know what it is, my first time playing it. And I'm going to give you guys a little agenda of what I'm going to be doing later on today. I'm saying later on today because it's early in the morning, it's like 3 something, but whatever. I'm going to be doing 10 things about Blank. I don't know what it's going to be about yet. I don't know, I'm still thinking. My friend did this and I'm inspired by her. So yeah, and that's all the LPS characters and like people that like LPS do this. So yeah, remember like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm just gonna look at what they're saying about this cat named Bonchan. You guys can read it too. I'm gonna read it inside my brain. So yeah. Okay, yeah. So Bonchan is a really cute cat. It reminds me of my hamster. She was black and white, so isn't she so cute? So we're going to let them interact, I guess. It's where you can interact with the people, so it's pretty cool. And Bonchan is doing that. We got a new basket, so we're gonna open that up. And I have a feeling it's gonna be fish, y'all. I'm not even lying. So we're gonna wait for that. And wait, and be boring. So yeah, we just found the basket and we opened it. We have a new cat toy, so that's enough fun. He has some stuff, so yay. And Bonchan is being like really cute right now, so woohoo. I'm gonna decorate this place. We can do the cherry wallpaper, we can do like this green thing, but the green is cute, but we want to do something like girly, so we're gonna pick this one because we gotta keep it cute in here, y'all. Okay, so yeah, okay. So I think we're gonna adopt another cat. So yeah, her name's Calico. It reminds me of Calico Critters, guys. So yeah, you guys can. Oh wait, my bad. Her name's not Calico. It's Muffin. I'm stupid. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. So yeah, you guys can watch me play. So peace, and I'll see you guys in a few when you guys can watch me play. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me play Cat Cafe, and I hope you guys remember like, subscribe, share, and comment, and help me get to at least 10 subscribers, guys. And remember to go check out LPS Mitsuku's channel. I'll leave her link down in the description down below, and I'll give credit to all of you guys, LPS. I'm not gonna give all things, whatever. Peace out, guys. Peace.